Hello and welcome to your sixth class on JavaScript. And I want to congratulate you on finishing the first chapter of this course. In this second chapter, we will learn very important skill, which is connecting HTML to JavaScript. Without this skill, you will not be able to become a good web developer. And right now I will show you how to do this. So first of all, you need to download the program called Notepad++. You can Google it and you will find it very easily in up to 5 minutes. And you will download it because it's absolutely free. So once you have set up your program, you should create your index.html file. You do this by pressing Ctrl N, then going to File, then pressing Save As, and saving the file named index.html. The type of files down at the name of the file should be chosen all types to set the type of the document or this file as .html. So this is HTML. This is really basic stuff. I'm sure you had some experience of HTML since you are learning JavaScript, but if not, it's okay. You don't need to learn this right now. Just follow the easy steps which I will show you here. So once you have set up your HTML file, go ahead and right click on the file itself and then open it with any browser. As you can see here in this browser, I have opened the index.html file, which is located in my Udemy class and lesson 006 folder. So right now I will start writing the HTML code. So let's first say that doc type or the document type for this HTML file is HTML. Let's press Ctrl and S and it will be saved. So the document type right now is set up as an HTML, which is absolutely correct. Next, let's create a tag. HTML has tags, and we will create the first tag HTML. Now let's close the tag, and here's how we will do this. /HTML. You put the same name of the tag, but before the name you put slash, and everything between those two tags will be considered as the content of the tag HTML. Now let's create a head tag. Close the head tag. This is additional features of the website and maybe a linkage to different files. Then the body tag, the very important tag in which we will write our code. And in the body you should create first text. So let's put h3. This is my first text. And let's close the tag. You already know how to do this. h3 means heading, so it's a big text. There is h1, the biggest text, then h2 a little bit smaller, h3 a little bit smaller, and you will see how it works. So it's just an HTML, no link to the JavaScript, right? So let's run this file. We'll go to the browser and refresh, and here it goes. Here you can see the HTML h3 tag output. This is my first text. So now you can open up your console, and you can see that console is absolutely clear. There's nothing happening here. So let's output something on the console. And here's the important part. You should write a tag script, which you should guess is a script tag containing scripts. Right now we will put JavaScript script. So let's console.log 5. Let's output 5 to the console. Let's try this code. Oh, and here you see the text didn't change, but the console received a 5. So our code works. This is great. You can write also some variable right here. So variable A equals to 4000. We can put A, Control S, and then let's see, 4000. Great, awesome. Our code works. But what if you don't want to write all this code of JavaScript right here? No problem. There is a way to link the JavaScript another way. So let's first copy this code we have written into another file and save this file in the same folder as we have our index.html, but let's call it main.js, JS shortly for JavaScript. And you can call really any name, but you should mention the same name here in the source. I will show you how to link it in the source. So in the script you put source equals to, and then put the name main.js. Control S, we have the same code in JS, so we should run and it should have the same output. Let's see. Yes, it does work. It does work. We refresh the page and it has the same output, the output of 4000, which is our variable A. This is great. What else can we do? Well, we can create a text variable h3 and then write this is my second text and close the tag. So you're asking me, why do they need the HTML in JavaScript? It's really simple. It's because it will print this text on this page. We will have an h3 tag, and I will show you how to do this. We'll write, instead of console.log, we write document.write, and then we put A right here, and we get the second message. We get the second text, which is awesome, right? We got the second text. We got the text in the HTML form. You can also write some random variables right here. So let's output the number 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the semicolon, don't forget the semicolon. Refresh the page, and here it goes. You have the 345 output right on your page with the document.write method. So this is a basic tutorial on connecting JavaScript to HTML, and for the homework I want you to remember all the things we did in the last chapter and try to implement them in the main.js file. I wish you good luck.